Sac passe. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Pauline J here, back at it again with a beautiful spring inspired look for you guys. And I'm not gonna make this intro super duper long, so let's just get into it. So I already went ahead and filled in my brows off camera, and the two concealers that I'm going to be using today to conceal my brows are LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and also the Yellow Corrector. I'm also going to be using the same Yellow Corrector to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow, and typically I set the concealer on my lid with like some kind of translucent powder, but since we're going for a really bright look today, I decided to just not set it so the eyeshadow can stick to it more. And going into my BH Cosmetic palette, I'm going to be using a blending brush to apply this hot pink color onto my lid. And as you can see, I'm blending it out, but I'm not going all the way out because I'm going to be using another color to blend out the edges. Going back into my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to be taking that bright yellow color to blend out the edges of the pink. And I'm using another fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics. If you guys are not hip to the BH Cosmetic brushes, you should totally get you some. They're very affordable and they definitely get the job done. So honestly, this portion, you're just blending out. This is a really simple look for beginners. You're only using two colors and you're just blending. Next, I'm going to be taking a yellow liquid liner by NYX Cosmetics to apply a nice wing to this look. Going in with my favorite set of lashes from AliExpress. We're gonna just go ahead and apply them on like so. Rushing to complete this look, I completely forgot to apply primer. Don't be like me ladies and always wear your primer. I'm going in with my Maybelline FIT ME foundation in the color 340, and I'm also color correcting using the orange shade and going over the color correction with Fawn concealer. And I'm just highlighting the highest points of my face where light would naturally hit. And I'm just using that same yellow corrector that I used to prime my lid to brighten up my highlight. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going in and blending out everywhere that I place the concealer. And I'm just using light tapping motions, not swiping the concealer around because you want to make sure that it doesn't slide over your face so you don't have any streaks and your base is as seamless as possible. And still using a damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and set everywhere that I place the concealer using my Black Radiance setting powder in the color Banana, because like who bakes anymore? It's 2019, like get with the program. Brown shade from my Jaclyn Hill palette. I went ahead and contoured my nose, and I'm just bringing some warmth back all over my face. And I'm going to use the same pink shadow that I use on my lid just to smoke out my bottom lash line and add some more drama to the look. Using a fluffy brush, I'm dusting off any excess eyeshadow that may have fallen off in my smoking out of my bottom lash line. We're going to use Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight the highest point of our face, and I'm setting everything with my Lavender Water by Badescu. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using a generic brown lip pencil and applying my Black Radiance Nude Lip Cream on top, and then just finish everything off by putting a layer of clear gloss that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. And there you have it. We're looking nice and glowy and bronzy, perfect for the spring and the summertime. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.